Hi, my name is Francisco Avila. I'm a structural engineer in Southern California. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a method that we've been using a lot for our clients in helping them convert their house, a single family unit, into 3 units, utilizing the state's ADU laws. Now, this method consists of using the inside of the existing house, the footprint of the existing house, to divide it into 3 parts. We're going to have the ADU, the junior ADU, and then the main dwelling. Now, this method is the least expensive or most economical because we're not adding new construction outside generally or dealing with new roofs or foundations. So it tends to cost a lot less and makes dividing or adding dwellings to a property a lot more feasible. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. In this project that we recently completed, we designed an ADU and a junior ADU. What we normally do is we start off with the existing floor plan. This particular house was 2,250 square feet approximately and had 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms originally. So what we normally do is we look for areas of the house where there's a lot of empty space and maybe has some plumbing in it. The existing plumbing helps in that it limits the amount of new plumbing work that needs to be done. So we try to find spaces that have plumbing so that it won't cost as much when they're building to run new plumbing lines to those areas. So in this particular house for an ADU, we found a nice 735 square foot area that fit our criteria and that could be easily converted. This living room area and the family room area, it had an existing bathroom and a fireplace with a gas line to it already. So that was a ideal space that we could use for a ADU. And for the junior ADU, we're limited by the law, by California law, to 500 square feet. And the criteria for that, it has to be inside the main house, which that's what we're doing here. So that's automatically met. And we also try to look for existing areas with plumbing to try to limit the amount of plumbing work and use the new kitchen or bathrooms, put them there so that they don't have to do too much plumbing work. So in this house, we identified this area up in the front, which was about 495 square feet, which was just below the maximum limit of 500 square feet. So this area already had a bedroom. It had a laundry room with plumbing fixtures. So that was nice. It was a playroom and they had some storage there. So we were able to utilize that space, identify it and utilize it for the junior ADU. So first I'm going to show the junior ADU that we came up with, which is pretty much keeping everything as it is so that the structural work is kept to a minimum. So here's the junior ADU in this area right here. So we just used the existing laundry room. We used it as a new kitchen and put some cabinets and put a stove and a sink. And there's 495 square feet. It has 1 bedroom, a bathroom, and we just use the existing bedroom and the bathroom as the bathroom for the junior ADU. Now, you might notice this door going into the main house. The junior ADU is allowed to have a door going into the house because it's considered part of the house. It's just one of the flexible issues that they allow people to do with the junior ADUs. Now for the junior ADU, it was a lot bigger, so we were able to come up with something more elaborate. So we came up with the junior ADU, which is here. I mean, the ADU, which is here. And the ADU requires its own water heater and its own heating and cooling system. So that's what we put. That's what we put over here. Put a new water heater and the mini split heating system. And then, as you can see, we're able to put the kitchen, the bathroom here, nice sized bathroom, the kitchen with the island, and a kitchen with the island and enough space so that people could have stools there, right here. And we put the sink right there, and which is a nice feature in the ADU. And then we were able to fit 2 bedrooms. And between the 2 bedrooms, we use these a lot, ventless washer dryer combos. They're electric. The good thing about those is that it's one unit, it's one machine, and we don't have problems with trying to vent it out through the side walls or through the roof. So, and it saves space because it's not stacked on top of each other like the conventional gas washer and dryers. So that's what we did in this project, and to convert one property into two, I mean, 3 units. If you have any questions about your properties or would like to explore doing something similar, you can contact us. Our information is in the uh, description down below, or in our bio, you could find our contact information. I hope this was useful. If it was useful, please give us a like or subscribe to our channel for future informational videos such as this one.